here is a smidge on how to make sure you're getting decent sized images when you are when using images for documents or websites or what have you. These days with higher resolution screens and the projectors, if you use something that's not sharp, that has a low resolution, it's just not gonna look good. It's a lot easier to find high res pictures, but there's simple steps to finding ones right away. When you do an image search in Google, you'll see the resolutions here. And these days, again, it's not as big of a problem. But something like this, that's a little bit on the small size, probably for modern things. I had a student use this one here in a project, and it didn't look good because that 449 by 393 is just a little blurry these days when you're on a decent size screen. So when you do a Google image search, you can go to the search tools. You have all these different options. This can help for more than just things with size. But generally these days, if you go to either medium or large, you'll start to get things medium. Some of the medium things are a little on the small side. But when you go to large, yeah, you definitely find things that are high def resolutions, which are good places to start. Unless size, bandwidth, or file size is a concern, which when you're just using a few pictures these days, it's not nearly as big of an issue. You can sort with through these other options, neat things like color, type. So kind of narrowing it down a little bit. Whether it's a recent image, that can be helpful in a lot of ways, and usage rights. And yeah, just lots of very specific ways these days to search for images on Google.